Good morning, everyone. I am Everlyn Cañaveral of Lemery, Batangas, and an active member of the MMM Global Republic of Bitcoin. This is my dashboard, and I provided the help of a total amount of 8,520 US dollars to date, and it became 10,101.37 dollars to date with the following staggered payment of 11/14/2015 of 3,257.99 to date, 11/29/2015 of 1,068.05 to date, 15 of 361.67 to date, December 19, 2015 of 565.33 to date, 12/28/2015 of 385 to date, 1/5/2016 of 723.33 to date, February 2, 2016 of 500, February 9, 2016 of 750 US dollars, February 9, 2016 of 70, and the last is February 13, 2016 of 2,443.40 US dollars that sum up to 10,101.37 US dollars that yield me 336.71 US dollars daily interest. I have clicked the Get Help button last February 27, 2016, amounting to 1,210 US dollars, and the order was created February 28, 2016 from Edward, and the Bitcoin is now in my wallet with the following amount, and I am very happy to be a part of the MMM community, Republic of Bitcoin. Together we change the world.